Okay, we're now on the game controller thing on Microsoft Visual Studio. And as you can see in this line right here, this is the line where we have the problem here. It says here to get component transform. It says not an instance of it. But what we have here from the thing is that, let's go to canvas. The grid is what we're looking at. As you can see here, they're using this form called RectTransform right here, and now we can see that we need to change that so it's RectTransform. Rect. That's what the problem is. Let me copy and paste. It might be a little easier. There, there, and there. Okay. And I think there's another problem right here. It should be... And we don't want this. Well, I'm going to ignore that. We're going to use the width and height. So let's copy this. That's from the RectTransform as well. So to get it, we're going to have to call it again. Let's go right here, and then dot. This is called rect. This is where the rectangle width and height lie. Width. Sometimes, but here's another one we need to put. RectTransform. It seems very long to do all this stuff. Maybe we should use something called a property. Let me create a variable. Alright, so it would be RectTransform and information. RectInfo. So it is equal to ocean. The ocean is the game object we're setting it to. By the way, get component RectTransform. Okay, that makes it a little lot easier. Is equal to RectTransform. RectInfo. RectInfo. Okay. This rectangular width. X max should be at rect width. I think that's pretty much about it. RectInfo. Let's put RectInfo. Right here, and I don't think we'll need that. Because the width is right here. Let's just get rid of that. Okay, so that's much better. RectInfo, now ymin equals RectInfo dot height. RectInfo. Whoops. What is that doing here? It happens to me all the time. Minus. I believe this pivot is up north here. We're going down to find the min. So minus RectInfo rect width. That makes it a whole lot easier. RectInfo. Width, actually it's the height. Well, I know the width and the height is the same thing, and mean the same thing on the square, since this ocean grid is a square. But, well, I think it's common sense to use that height for Y and width for X. Now, set the RectInfo. Okay. Okay, now there's another one to address. Okay. So let's see what the sectors. Well, I think another class called sector. And that indicates the squares on the grid. The grid squares. I call them sectors. It's alright. Xmin. I said we have a new sector. It's Xmin. It's full scale unit length. That doesn't make any sense. I think we need an average between, like, the midpoint. Xmin times X. Oh wait, Xmin plus Xmax. X. Let me think. It's local scale X. Oh, well, we need to get the Xmin. But we need to find out what the. If it's 0. So we need square. We need the width and the height. Let's go use RectInfo. Info. Rect that width. Times X. We'll do the same thing for this. RectInfo.rect width. This is the X max position according to the grid, to the GUI interface, by the way. Width. And now for the Y max, we need the RectInfo. Now for the Y min. Y. RectInfo. Rect height. Wait a minute. We need to divide by 10 because there are 10 squares. Divide by 10. Let's put this as a floating point so we don't make a mistake making an integer division. F. F. Let's go over here. Now this is the Y max. Rect info for the sector. Okay. Sorry, I may notice something. I might be noticing something that's not there. Yeah, I can notice anything all the time. The height divided by 10.0 F and Y. And X, Y, and this. I want to show you what I have for the sector. This is a sector constructor. Well, it's float X start, X end, Y end. And X, Y, and grid. No, should be alright. Okay. So then, okay. Now let's move on to the next one. Let me save and start it again. Let's see how it works so far. Oh, wait a little bit. Okay. Let me just clear this. So, let's see if we have more errors, runtime errors and stuff. That looks like we got this one at the grid constructor 202. What's going on? It's like line 202 this time. Let's see what the problem is. Well, I didn't see those. This is where we set the pointers between. No, I don't think that's the problem. Okay. It doesn't seem to like the RectTransform. Why is it saying this as a null reference? I don't understand. Okay. Okay, let's see. Let's see what the problem is.